Today, we're talking about 3 tips for managing your cash flow in your business. Do you have a system set up for managing cash flow? And I'm not talking about an accounting system like QuickBooks or Quicken or something like that. I'm actually talking about a cash management system, something that is helping you to realize the profit in your business. Because cash flow is the money coming in and the money going out. But how are we managing that money going out and actually realizing that money coming in? My name is Heidi. I'm one of the co-founders here inside Truth Bomb Academy, where we are helping busy women create more time and money with a simple business playbook so they can create millions without sacrificing what's important to them. So if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button so we can continue to create content that is helping female entrepreneurs so that they are having successful businesses and not having to close the doors because they're overwhelmed, burned out, and frustrated with what's happening in their business. The 3 cash flow tips that I have for you today. The first one is analyze your cash flow. The second one is streamline your payments. And the third one is how you're going to manage your finances. So the first one, analyze your cash flow. Like I said, cash flow is basically the money coming into your business and the money going out of your business. Sometimes it goes through so fast we don't even see it. It's like, oh, here and there and gone tomorrow. And so it's like we don't want that in our business. We actually want to know what's going on. And so I'm going to go over 4 factors that actually affect your cash flow. One of them is late payments and invoicing. So we have to get that under control as far as setting up a system for invoicing and for taking care of late payments. Another one is a sales fluctuation in your business. A lot of businesses, depending on what you do, you're going to have ebbs and flows throughout the year in your business. How do you manage that? How do you keep track of that? How do you pay the expenses when the income is down for that month? And also looking at excessive expenses. How do we control those excessive expenses? And the last one is like excessive owner's pay, owner salary. Sometimes people are taking too much. And so these are things that all are ways to look at when you're analyzing the cash flow in your business. Using a cash management system like we use here inside Truth Bomb Academy and we teach our members is actually going to help you keep track of those ebbs and flows and plan for them better so that you do have the cash on hand when the sales are lower. Taking you through steps that help you to actually analyze where your money is going and help you to take those steps to reduce those expenses and why you might want to reduce those expenses and keep your business moving forward, right? Tip 2 for your cash flow is how to streamline your payments. To have a good system in place that helps you to receive money easily, we want to take out all the barriers of people paying you, right? You know, we use a system with Samcart that connects with Stripe, and it's a safe, secure way to receive payments from your customers. If you're a product-based business, you might want to use something like Shopify because it gives you that secure payment system, and so you don't want to make the payment a hurdle for your customer. If you can accept as many payment processes as possible, like Stripe offers that. Samcart also links up with PayPal and all the different processes that are also safe and secure. And so streamlining those payments will also help with your cash flow. Step 3 for managing your cash flow is actually to manage your finances. Analyzing your cash flow and streamlining your payments are a step in the process, but they're only part of the story. You actually have to manage your finances, and putting in place a cash management system where you are telling your money where to go instead of having your money just go wherever it wants is integral to the overall success of your business. One thing we can do is to actually look at our spending behaviors. I know something that Dave Ramsey says, and I totally agree, is your cash management system is actually 20% knowledge and 80% behavior. Because putting in place a cash management system only works if you actually do it, right? And so the knowledge is fantastic and powerful, and you have to have the knowledge to actually put it into place. And that's what here inside Truth Truth Bomb Academy, we're helping women realize profit in their business with this cash management system. Whether they're bringing in $20 or they're bringing in $5,000 or they're bringing in $10,000, realizing a cash management system. How do you manage that cash coming in and going out so that it doesn't go out before you even knew it was in? And part of this spending behavior is keeping your personal and your business finances separate. That is extra important when it comes to tax time. Two things that really will help you to take control of your finances is to control the costs and expenses of your business, and also to create that cash reserve for those times when the sales are lower than other times. And the cash management system that we are helping women implement here inside Truth Bomb Academy is helping them to manage their cash flow so that they are overall successful in their business, and they're not building when they're creating their millions, because we're helping women to create those $1 million businesses. They aren't also spending $1 million to keep their business going, because so often I have heard of 6-7 figure businesses failing because of cash flow. And that's what we want to keep you out of. We don't want cash flow to be the reason that your business fails. I welcome you to join us inside the Female Millionaire Code, where we're going to teach you how to 3M your way to profits. We want you not only creating that profit, but enjoying the process. Because we want to have more fun, play, and ease in our business, because we want to enjoy our business. As we enjoy our lives, right? And so I welcome you to join us inside the next workshop, where we will show you 3 methods of how to create profit in your business right now. Your mindset, your money, and your marketing, how they all affect, and believe me, we are rewiring the way this all works. So join us, find out when the next workshop is. The link is down in the comments below. I'll see you there.